And a victory for Governor Pritzker on assault weapons. The Supreme Court clears the way for enforcement of a statewide registry of those weapons and their accessories.
And the decision means the clock is ticking for gun owners to log their information with Illinois State Police.
This as FOID card holders continue to wait for the official rules to be written. A major victory for Governor J.B. Pritzker, the U.S. Supreme Court refusing to block Illinois' ban on assault weapons and large-capacity magazines.
This is not only a legal undertaking, an appropriate undertaking to keep and safeguard the people of the state of Illinois, but a constitutional one, too.
The ban took effect January 1st of this year, halting sales of select weapons, including the semi-automatic firearm used in the Highland Park Parade shooting. The decision, a defeat for a Naperville gun store owner who challenged the law, means that Illinoisans who bought assault weapons before January 1st of this year must register them before January 1st of next year.
The reality is that most people really do understand these rules. And by the way, people are actually signing up, registering their automatic assault weapons.
As of this month, only 6,000 gun owners filed disclosures with ISP ahead of the January deadline, a fraction of the more than 2 million FOID card holders in the state.
Nobody is getting, charged, arrested. As you know, the first commission of a violation is a misdemeanor if it even gets charged. The second violation, however, is a felony.
Lawmakers in Springfield have yet to release a final set of rules for registering firearms and accessories. Pritzker says one is coming.
There's another meeting of JCAR coming in January. I really expect that there's a widespread understanding of what people need to do, and to the exceptions, I would just argue you'll know the answers.
Now, this isn't the last expected challenge to the state's assault weapons ban. The controversial law could be back before the Supreme Court as early as next year.